Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Tecumseh, Michigan, U.S. headquarters of the Uniloy Corporation. Uniloy is a global leader in blow molding technologies with 7 locations around the world and the only blow molding machine manufacturer to offer 4 unique blow molding technologies, as well as blow molds and associated tooling. Anchored in strong core beliefs, leaders' behaviors, and a desire to make a difference in our communities, Uniloy's commitment to its employees, customers, and neighbors is its top priority. With over 6,000 machines installed worldwide, supported by global engineering, manufacturing, sales, and service centers, Uniloy continues to lead the market with new technology and after-sales solutions. America's pioneer of plastic milk bottles rapidly enhanced its blow molding systems to include large industrial applications and patented solutions for trimming, handling, and downstream equipment. Uniloy continues to be a leader in the blow molding industry by offering full turnkey blow molding solutions, along with custom product and mold design services, associated tooling manufacturing, machine operator training, as well as a resin and PCR test center. Today's manufacturer needs more than just machinery. They need productivity, innovation, and efficiency. For over 6 decades, that's what Uniloy has delivered. Uniloy remains at the forefront of innovation while building on their core values by providing solutions that create value for their customers and investors, while providing a safe and rewarding working environment for their people. Come see for yourself and visit one of Uniloy's locations today at uniloy.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.